Hello, colorful creators! As always, check the description for the complete supply list, but I'm using some washable paint, a paper plate, and some heavy paper. It's a super simple process. Just drip the paint on the back of the paper plate and then smush! It's so satisfying. Definitely recommend swirling that plate around, really mashing it in there to make sure that that paint is well incorporated with the paper. I'm using the same paper plate and stamping again just to use up all that paint on there, but I do need a little bit more, so I'm gonna add a little bit right on there. No need to dirty any extra plates or paintbrushes, just drip it on and then squish. Repeat this process as many times as you want with whatever colors you want. But in sticking with the pumpkin theme, I kept mine within that orange and red and yellow range. Now I'm going to use a pencil and trace a pumpkin shape. That begins with a really big oval right in the center and goes outward, with a flattened C shape on either side of that oval going outwards till you reach the edge of your colorful circle. Now draw your face of your jack-o'-lantern on. I'm going to keep with a classic look for mine, but this is where you can really customize your jack-o'-lantern and make it however you want. And then Sharpie for everything. Don't forget to erase those pencil lines. Now it's time to give our jack-o'-lantern a stem because no pumpkin is complete without one. Again, using a pencil first and then going back in with a Sharpie. And a cute little curlicue at the end. Thanks for creating with us today. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy at-home art.